Welcome to Agir online course, Document Management Module, Lesson 2, Document Properties Explained. Today, we are going to talk about which properties you can assign to a document, their purpose, and how can they help you organize your information. To access the Properties menu, press the icon on the left sidebar. The first property is the title. The second property is the document code. This code cannot be repeated, but don't worry, Agir will take care of that. The next property is the revision number. It usually starts at 0, but it can start on a higher number if the document has a revision history already. The revision number cannot be repeated, but Agir will take care of that as well. Now we have the expiration date, which can be assigned to any document. There's also the department associated with the document, the document type, and the process. The publication date defines the date in which the document comes to effect. The preview is actually a functionality, and it allows the user to fix a mistake in the PDF conversion by inserting a new one. Now we have the edit mode, which defines who can alter the document properties. Remember, not the document itself, only its properties. The free option allows for anyone that has access to the document to change its properties. The normal option is the application standard, which means that administrators and task owners can make changes. In the extended option, besides the aforementioned people, any person with task permission of that workflow can make changes. And lastly, the manager option is to only let workflow admins and Agir admins to make changes. Once again, these settings serve to only change the properties and not the document itself. Open by defines how the document is presented to the user. The only PDF option means exactly what it says. Original version for download means that the user can obtain a copy of the document in its original format. Keep in mind, the actual original document is safely stored in a server and cannot be tampered with. PDF and the original version uses both of the methods previously mentioned. Require acknowledgement makes that when a user accesses the document, a message will appear. The user is asked to confirm that it read and understood the document. Keep in mind that if a new revision is released, a new confirmation message will show up, and a new confirmation is required. Pre-publication is an advanced document publication system. After the approval step, the user can publish the document automatically on a future date. There are in-depth tutorials to take full advantage of this feature. Folders are a very easy and flexible way to manage permissions within the document. The system administrator can create as many folders and subfolders necessary. Individual permission settings can be given to each specific folder, allowing for a more structured information with the access control system. In a later tutorial, I will show you how to create folders and set up the access control system. Be sure to stick around. So these are the main properties. However, Agir allows you to create personalized fields to provide a more complete and flexible workflow. Fields like client number, project number, and supplier name are a few examples that can be added to the Properties menu. In a later tutorial, I'm going to expand on this subject.